Good morning children, a very good morning to all of you. Okay, this class is about the rubrics activity which you all have to submit for us for the midterm examination. Okay children, how to do this? Okay, so this you have to take one A4 sheet, children please listen, you have to take an A4 sheet, write your name, class and section. You have to write your name, class and section. See, this activity is in page number 82. Page number 82 in your math textbook. Yeah. So, this activity is nothing but it is to show the reverse process of multiplication and the reverse process of division. So, division is nothing, a reverse process of multiplication, and multiplication is nothing, a reverse process of division. Yes children, so here they have showed you how to do it. Okay, first one they have shown is 15. 3 into 5 is 15. So they have shown 3 into 5 is equal to 15. For this there are two division facts. There are two division facts and two multiplication facts. What is it? 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Yes children. And the division fact is 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 15 divided by 5 is 3. Yes children. So this. Now what you have to do is you have to draw the grid. Okay, see they have showed you in this. They have showed you in this how to draw the grid. Yes children. You have to do it like this. First they have showed you 15 ones is 15. Here and here 3 5s is 15. This is one. You have to draw like this only. For the numbers here they have given you the multiplication fact. For this you have to do two sums. You have to do two sums. Any two sums you can choose for yourself and do it. You can take any two sums and choose for yourself and do it. Okay children? Okay. See, and use color pencil. See, they have showed 3 5s 15 and 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. That means what? 5 is divided is taken 3 times. 5 is repeated 3 times. So they have put pink color one, then yellow color and then green color. The second one 5 into 3. That means what? 3 is repeated 5 times. 3 is repeated 5 times. So here, see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, so this also see 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Here 5 into 3 is 15. Here 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Yes children. So this is how you have to do this activity, rubric activity. Children, for coloring, please do not use sketch. Use a color pencil. Use the color pencil so that it will look neat. Let your presentation be neat because this rubric activity gives you 10 marks. Okay children, it gives you 10 marks and you want all your 10 marks, so you have to do it neatly children. You can draw the grid. You have to draw the grid. You have to show the grid. See, okay, for this they have given you 15. Now here they have given you 12. So you take 12 on top. Then 2 6 is 12. That means 2 into 6 is 12. So 6 is being divided into 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay. And here 6 into 2 is 12. Okay. So 2 into 6 is 12 and 6 into 2 is 12. That means what? Okay. 2 can be divided into 6 times and 6 divided into 2 times. Okay. Like that you have to do. 6 divided by 2. Like that you have to do it. And here this one also 21. They have given 21. You have to draw 21 grids here and you have to do how it is in this page. Like that only you all have to do. You all can take any of the sums from here, any two sums and do it children. Okay children, this is your rubric activity and we are sending you this one grid, this activity today and I want you all to submit it on Wednesday, within Wednesday. Within Wednesday. Please don't forget to write your name and your class and section, because we will not have all your numbers. Okay children, we will not have all your numbers, we will not have the phone numbers or any of your informations. So if you'll write your name, it will be easy for us to give you all the marks. Okay, I hope you all have understood this activity. Please do this activity, see this activity, and do it and send it to us. Yeah, take a nice pic and send it to us. Okay children, thank you children, thank you for watching this. I hope you all have understood how to do it. Okay, just because if you all have doubt, okay, you can see this textbook, page number 82. Page number 82 it is. You please write which sum you are writing. Okay, please write which sum you all are writing. That sum you all have to write here, or like how I have written 3 into 5. Okay, you all have to write like that, and you all have to send it to me. Okay children, thank you for watching this video.